up, YouTube? In it today, but I want to teach and show you guys how you properly invest during a stock market crash so that you can start the proper way to build wealth. Okay, so in today's video, I got a jam-packed one for you, so please keep it locked. Please make sure to like, subscribe. Make sure you help this video get at least 1,000 likes. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. As I pull this up, guys, please let me know if you made money this week. Please let me know. I already heard from many of you getting busy, and I couldn't be more proud. You guys navigating the stock market crash, still finding a way to learn, grow, and get profit, okay? I love to hear it. Check this out, guys. Before I dive into the stocks I'm going to buy and show you, I'm gonna walk you through this and how this is done so you can see we come out on the other side of this, okay? The fear and greed index is as extreme fear at a 4. Guys, be greedy when others are fearful. I gotta buy. I don't even care if the market is not going down yet. If you are down here at 4, I know you can't go but up. Okay, so not that the market gotta turn right back around ASAP, but I don't try to time the market. I just make sure that I'm in the market in position and buying stocks when they come low. Let me know if that makes sense, okay? The fear and greed index is sitting at extreme fear at a 4 due to the stock market crash, okay? So this is when you buy. Go look at the VIX, for example. The VIX is another indicator. Whenever it spikes up above 30 and it's sitting in the 40s, typically that's also a good time to buy. Check out this heat map. Everything in the market is pretty much red, okay? You might see a few small specks of green, but for the most part, everything has crashed. There's no place to hide. Now is the time real investors come out, real traders come out. And so Coach wanted to teach you and walk you through how this is done, okay? On today, guys, we are going to buy $150,000 worth of stocks because I'm going to double my wealth. I'm going to show you every step of the way how this go, okay? So for today, all right, number 1, VTI. Whenever VTI is in a buy zone, you take advantage. This is the hallmark of all of my portfolios. I just want to show you how it's done, okay? You're going to hit trade, you're going to hit buy. Okay, Coach, what if it ain't done going down yet? Okay, so look at this. If it's at 250 here, let's say we get this for 250. All right, I want you guys to see this. Boom. This is how you can do if you are trying to build wealth in the stock market crash. Watch this. Then you would come back and then you would do this. Say you think it's going to drop more. You would hit the drop down bar. You would go to limit order. Okay, so say you think this is going to come to 240. All right, if this comes to 240 and you don't think we're done crashing, let's put 235 just so we know in case it crashed a little bit more. We are going to buy 10 shares of this when it comes to 235. Let me know if this is seen by all, okay? We're gonna simply hit this. We're gonna lock this in. It's gonna be enforced till July 3rd. So we can crash further and Coach is just simply gonna buy more. I'm not gonna complain. Not gonna say, oh, I bought it at 250. It's down to 235 now. Nope, I'm hoping it come to 235 because you see I'm gonna buy more for lower. The name of the game is to buy low. Let's go ahead and lock this in, okay, guys? You do this, all right? Now, this is in addition to all the money I made today buying puts on all the stocks that crashed today, okay? Look, the next stock is Netflix. What did Coach tell you earlier this week? We don't want 931. We want 831. But is this 831? No. So what we do, you get this here, boom. You always want to just set a standard for yourself. You don't have to go heavy with your first buy, okay? But now we're going to come right back in. Let's look at this, guys. Boom. We are going to make sure we're going to put a limit on this same exact way. We want to see this come to 8. Let's see. I'm OCD. I like clean, concise numbers. We're going to get this at 830 and not 831. So we're going to set this limit here in case it crashed more next week. I don't never know. I'm a technician, guys. I am a surgeon. I am a technician. All I can do is go off what the charts tell me, but I still can't always say oh, it's going to come down at 8:30. Yes, it might, or it might not. It could turn around Monday and go back to new all-time highs. You never know, so you don't play that game. But what you do is make sure you're in position. Let's go ahead and lock this in. This will be in force till July 3rd as well. Okay, so I got from now to July 3rd for this to fall to, let's see, $830. And then coach will lock this in as well. Okay, boom, let's swipe up. And then boom, this is how you build the wealth. I already know 1 year, 3 years, and 5 years from now, these prices will be way higher than this. It don't matter about these tariffs, okay? Because I know that, because I've been in the stock market for over 15 years, I know these are buying opportunities of a lifetime. What else we got? Meta. This is the best stock in the stock market. This is gonna go crazier than all of this when it comes back. So watch this. Let's see, we're gonna hit trade, buy. Let's go ahead and lock in one here. Boom, we just doing the work. We doing the work, okay, boom. We don't like that price. We don't care about that price for real. We wanna put an order here. Let's do 10 here. Let's go ahead and put a limit. I always buy this at 400. I like this at 440. Okay, I want you guys to see this. And if coach get lucky, I want you guys to see this, okay? Boom, we locking that in, we gonna go back. I told you this is gonna be the best one, so you pick one to make your money with. I already know this is gonna be the best stock in the stock market. I don't have to question it. It is what it is, okay? But all these stocks I pick are good, okay? So if that's 440, I'm gonna put another one at 390 just in case we crash even more. I don't know, but I'll be ready in case we do. I want you guys to see this. Boom. So now do you see? I'm never crying about the stock is going down. I needed to come down to get my orders to trigger. My average cost is so low on all of my plays in my portfolio because I've been doing this for almost 20 years. I have all the stocks at the very low. They run up, I sell half, I keep half, and then this is the rinse and repeat. When they do finally come back down 3, 5, 10 years later, we can go shopping again. Let me know if this makes sense, okay? Boom, we lock it in, and then we put our feet up. I'm not chasing every stock in the market. I'm picking the 3 best stocks that I know that's gonna win. Now, Costco is gonna win, United Health is gonna win, Lilly is gonna win, Palantir is gonna win. There are gonna be many, many winners. This not about that. Go pick what you know, like, and love. Go buy them while they're low, and then make sure you put your feet up and let them run back to all-time highs. When they run back to all-time highs from this level or lower, you're going to get a 40, 50, 60% return on your money. And the more money you put in, the more shares you accumulate, the bigger the return on your investment. That is how this goes. So that is what I want you guys to be focused on when you are investing, okay? Now, you know, lateral to that, we get busy. So we trade options. Around here, we make money in both directions. So for instance, the tariff crash, this global crash we're experiencing, we made an absolute killing off of puts, okay? However, we still are gonna buy calls because the dust is gonna settle on this when it's all said and done. We don't know when that day come, but we gonna still have leaps. Matter of fact, I gotta go show you guys. Matter of fact, let's go do this. No, I'll do this in another video because it's getting too long. But we're gonna go buy more NVIDIA calls while still doing NVIDIA puts. Let me know if that makes sense, okay? Let me know if that makes sense. We still got leaps that's still gonna do its thing in the midst of this crash, despite this crash. But guess what? We still can be making money hedging plays to the downside while we're going through this, okay? So Monday, it's gonna probably be a little more downside, but they're gonna be getting to a level where they're gonna be what's called oversold, and then it's gonna be due for a bounce. And when that bounce comes, that bounce might be fast and furious. That bounce might be back to a key level that we lost. And so just even that move, if you guys learn to capture that, can be life changing on so many levels as well, okay? So listen, man, another week is in a book. This is one of the, I don't wanna be negative, although it was a crash in every sense of the word, if you know how to navigate, which many of you did. Tasha, Wesley, so many of you guys, H, so many of you guys that did your thing. I just want to say major salute. This is, I'm so encouraged by this alone. Then I will get up out of here. For those of you that is learning how to manage and make money in a stock market crash, I only can be encouraged by what you guys are going to do when this is over and done with. Stay encouraged, man. Everybody be in the Discord first thing Monday morning. Everybody else consider joining the money team this week. Coach don't care about none of this. When you are surgical, when you don't miss, none of this matters. I'm a technician. I'm looking at the charts. I'm not listening to Trump. I'm not listening to the noise. I'm not listening to CNBC and none of the foolish people they bring up there every day. When you know how to read the chart, that's where the money is at. Never forget the money is in the charts. And when you learn that, no more to be said. That's how the mic drop, man. Listen, we're gonna get up out of here. We make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.